Hi, Rex. Hi. What are you doing? So I just filmed a video for my channel and I am already bored. It's literally just after 9 o'clock in the morning. I've killed an hour so far and I wanted to go on a walk, but it just doesn't look promising. The weather forecast said it's gonna rain all friggin' day, so I don't want to chance it and go on a walk and get wet, so I have to figure something else out. Puppy! Hi, baby! Hi! Oh, good girl. A good thing to do when you are trying to kill time is also invite your local dog. Puppy! Come on in. Come on in. Welcome. Rex is already here, having a great time. Oh. Oh, puppy, are you jealous? My little babies. It'd be really wrong if I just went on a drive. Do you want to go on a drive? Puppy? Do you want to go on a drive? I'll take that as yes. Let's go. Come on. Rex. Yeah, man, he's keen. Puppy, you keen? Let's go then. I can't believe I'm actually that bored, but who cares? There's nothing else to do. Okay. Ah, not cool. So while we're here in the car, why not chat about life? It's been a while, guys, and just give you a bit of an update, what my plans are. I know COVID ruins everything as per usual, but I've still got plans. My plan is to just keep working, keep hustling until the beginning of November, and then hopefully, dear baby Jesus, I'm gonna be able to leave this place. I'm still in Western Australia and the border is shut, so I can't go anywhere. I mean, I could, but I can't go back into the country. So I'm kind of stuck, which is very annoying. I love WA, but I also love Queensland and the East Coast. at least I've got farm work here, and I've got some contacts. I've worked for a lot of people before, so if worst comes to worst, then I've always got this kind of farm work, and I've always got some sort of a backup. I know I could come back even to this hostel and just get a job. So yeah, the plan is to just take some time off in November, maybe a month or two, go travel and try to just get a job elsewhere. I mean, I studied tourism management, and so far I have not used my degree at all. So I'm hoping to get into tourism, which is also a very hopeless case in 2020, but we're gonna give it a try. And yeah, maybe work in a hostel or in a cafe, whatever, trying to live a normal life, and then yeah, hopefully next year will look a bit brighter in terms of traveling, because there's still so many countries on my bucket list. And even though I really want to move to Australia permanently, I want to see the rest of the world, and that's not really possible right now. So I'm just hoping that everything will sort itself out, because otherwise I don't have a single clue of what I'm doing. Welcome to Manjimup. I don't actually want to burn my tongue, it's fucking hot. So a bit of a fail, I just went to my local favorite cafe and they were closed. Shocker. I usually get a nice vegan raw Snickers bar there, but it's okay. We just gotta think of something different for breakfast. Also, while we were in town, one of my many hobbies in Manjimup include getting town Wi-Fi, because it's actually better than the one in the hostel, which is shocking. Also feel like the dogs are really vibing with this car journey. Are you vibing, Rex? I'm sure he is, deep down. Hi, Pops. So it turns out you can't actually download Netflix anymore with the town Wi-Fi, so I just ended up watching a bunch of YouTube videos there, and I'm back now. Come on then, Rex! Don't chase the ute. There you go, Pops. So the weather still hasn't improved much. I guess I am just gonna edit the video that I filmed this morning and call it a day. Get some Netflix in and chill out. Get myself mentally prepared for tomorrow work. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in my next. Bye.